to my new video. Today I'm going to make a review on MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro is designed by Apple company and assembled in China. So let's start. Here you can see guys that the MacBook Pro is in gray color. This is the MacBook Pro. This is the instruction for the MacBook, and these wires are used to charge the MacBook. First of all, let's start the MacBook. As you can see that this paper is used to protect the screen. So let's start the MacBook Pro. As you can see that MacBook Pro is just being started. Let's click on guest user, and I think I need some brightness. Here we go. As you guys can see that the screen size of the MacBook Pro is about 13.3-inch display. It has a trackpad and it has a keyboard. Here you can see that it has USB ports to connect, and this one is used to charge the MacBook, and it is the headphone jack. And here you can see there are two more ports, and here you can connect for the SD card, and here you can connect for the HDMI. MacBook Pro, this one is 2012 model, and it is in Retina HD display. The internal storage of this MacBook is about 128 GB storage. Let me show you that, guys. First of all, here you can see I'm using this thing to connect it here, and I'm going to use this wire to connect the MacBook Pro for charging. Now guys, I'm going to show you something interesting, that you just need to bring this wire to near to the port to connect it. It will easily connect because of the magnetic attraction. It has a wonderful beautiness. Here you can see that at the back is the Apple logo. And guys, I'm going to show you something interesting. Just wait for a while. Here you can see, guys, that the MacBook Pro has lightning on its keyboard. Here you can see that, guys. It has the lightning, and it looks very beautiful at night or at dark places. You don't need to shut down your MacBook. You just have to close it like this, and you just have to open it like this. It's so simple, and it has its own editing system. I mean, if you want to edit some pictures, you can easily edit it. Let me to zoom in. Here you guys can see that this one is photos. You just have to click it here, and now you can see that I just clicked on guest user, so I don't have any pictures to edit. And let me guys to give you some more information. In photos, you can easily connect to a camera or a memory card. You can drag pictures, you can import some file menus, or you can bring some pictures from iCloud. Let's close it. It has a launch pad, and here guys you can see that these applications are already downloaded. It has its own app store. In App Store you can easily download some data, some applications easily. iMovie is an application I just downloaded from App Store, and I use this application to edit my videos. iTunes. This one, iTunes, is usually used for storing your music, your movies. And iBooks, in iBooks you can read some books. Let's go for the Siri. Here you can see it has its own Siri to use, like the iPhone has and the MacBook also have. It has its own dictionary. In this dictionary you can find also the biological terms. It's very hard to find it in other dictionary. You can easily find it in Mac dictionaries. It has its own browsing system. It's called Safari. It has its own calendar, and the application FaceTime is usually to use for face chatting. You can easily connect with somebody with the help of FaceTime. And guys, reminders. Reminder is an application. It will remind you that on this date you have to just do this thing. For example, and now guys, I'm going to click on System Preferences. Here you can find out that where can the MacBook can be connected. For example, you can easily connect it to printers, and you can connect it with the help of Bluetooth. Here you can see guys, iPhones probably have some problems to connect with other devices with the help of Bluetooth. So in MacBook Pro you can easily connect with other devices with the help of Bluetooth. The speakers of the MacBook Pro, they are extraordinary. Now guys, I am going to show you that how extraordinary the speakers are. And now guys, here you can see right now I'm using blue filter because it will not hurt my eyes. As you can see that night shift. These features are also available in iPhones, but it is also available in MacBook Pro. Here you can see I just turned off my night shift and now I just turned on my night shift. Here you can see for the stocks, weather in notification bar, and here you can find out for your notifications. Let's test the bass and the clarity of these speakers.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy.
As you can see guys that the level of the bass is extraordinary, the clarity of the voice is extraordinary. I mean, it is in a professional class laptop. I mean, the display is in HD, you have high level of speakers. I mean, you have everything in MacBook Pro or in MacBook. As you can see that guys, how slim the display is. So I prefer you guys that if you want to be a professional technical guy or anything else, but you just have to buy an Apple MacBook to become a professional. You can do professional editing in MacBook. You can make screen recordings in 4K. And yeah, it has also 256 internal storage system. And yeah, in MacBook Pro you can also connect to another hard drive. You can easily connect it with the help of USB ports. Here. So guys, if you want to buy this MacBook, you can buy it for almost 90,000 in Pakistan. I'm going to show you the Mac App Store. This is the Mac App Store, and I live in Pakistan, so that's why the Mac App Store just opened in Pakistan App Store. Here you can see guys that I just have to buy this application for almost 2000 rupees. So, and this one I just don't have to buy it, I can download it for free. Now guys, I am going to show you the front camera. This is the front camera, guys. And now I'm going to show you guys something funny. Let's click on effects. And now you can see I'm just a froggy guy. Oh, isn't it funny? It has an application finder. You can easily search for the files you have just lost in Finder. For example, you're just trying to find iTunes and you can find it. You just have to search iTunes at here and you can easily find it. So guys, if you liked my video, do not forget to subscribe and to like. Just hit the like button and do not forget to share. Peace out. Bye bye.